Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the editor and loading your photo. Make a duplicate layer immediately so you keep the original intact. Use the quick mask or the AI subject selector to isolate the person or object. This saves hours of fine-tuning. Once selected, refine edges with a soft brush and adjust feather by 0.52px to avoid hard halos. Make sure to hide the original background layer so you clearly see selection edges as you proceed. Next, deepen the edit. Refine the selection where hair, fur, or translucent material appears, because clean edges make the composite believable. Once done, paste or import your new background and align it behind the subject. Scale and crop so the focal point sits on the rule of thirds. Then match color temperature and exposure between layers and add a subtle shadow or contact layer beneath the subject to ground it. This step is where the photo stops looking pasted. To finish, inspect the composite at 100% zoom, then save a layered file for future tweaks and export a flattened version for sharing. If you spot fringe or hard edges, soften the mask edge by a tiny Gaussian blur and then retighten with a low-opacity brush. This often removes halos without losing detail. If colors still clash, use a selective color or curves adjustment clipped to the subject. Finally, preview on another device to confirm consistency before you deliver the final.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.